Okay, let's show you a little geometry node I created to generate a hexagonal grid. So first what we do is we add a six-sided cylinder, nothing special there, and then we add a modifier, choose geometry nodes, and apply the hexagon pattern mode. As you can see, by default, we already have a grid, and we can indeed change the number of repetitions to change the size of the grid. If you want to have a little bit of a gap between them, you can increase the scale so that you get sort of honeycomb pattern. We can even change the material index and the aspect ratio, and that's not so useful for something like a hexagon. But let's change this to a cube, say. So let's delete this one, add a cube instead, mesh cube. Let's say we scale it in the x direction by a factor of 2, so we have sort of a brick. And then you wouldn't think of this as a hexagon pattern perhaps, but it is. And if we now change the scale a little bit so that we have space for the grout, you see that those things overlap because this aspect ratio isn't exactly the same. But if we change that to 2, we have something that we can easily use as a brick pattern in a, I believe what's called a Flemish pattern. But anyway, I thought it would be useful, and it's available for download from my GitHub, a link in the description. Thank you for watching.